Hey, and then we still have garlic toast and butter dipping sauce. No, what else do you want from life? Hi, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Nene Foloruncho. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you're absolutely welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I made seafood boil. So we had seafood boil for Christmas, 25th of December 2020, and I'm like, you know what? I should share this recipe with you before the year runs out so that you can have it for New Year's Day if you want, or sometime later in the year 2021. For my seafood boil, I use lobsters, clams, shrimp, sausages, blue crabs, potatoes, and corn. And yes, it was super yummy, it was super quick. I threw everything in a bag and it was good to go. So watch how I make my yummy seafood boil. So now we're going to be doing the dry mix that is going to go into the seafood boil. I'm using some creole seasoning, and then I'm going to be adding some lemon pepper, thyme and parsley flakes. But be sure to check the description box so you can see all the ingredients that I used. I also added some suya pepper just because I'm very extra, but that is totally optional. Now I'm going to be using oven bags for my seafood boil, and the base should be very steady. So use a very steady base, like a steady pan to put in your bags. I've washed all my seafood. I'm putting it into the bags. I'm also adding some corns and potatoes. And then now I'll be adding the dry mix. I also have sausages in there too. Now just shake, 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 make sure that it is well mixed. I doubled my bag just to be safe. Now we're going to do the butter mix that will go into the seafood boil. Melt some butter and then add garlic and lemon. The remains of the lemon, I threw it into the bag as well, just because we want to have extra lemony flavor. So after pouring your butter mix into the bag, just make sure that you shake again to make sure that everything is well coated. Now you can see it's all well coated. We're just going to tie this up and put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. And then while that is in the oven, we're going to do a dipping sauce. Now this dipping sauce I'm about to make is totally optional because you're going to have juice from your bag, which you can use as a dipping sauce, but I'm just really extra, so I decided to do a dipping sauce. I used butter for the sauce. I added some lemon, very little lemon, and I'm also going to be adding creole seasoning and hot sauce. Now to this dipping sauce, you can add garlic, but I just didn't want us smelling like garlic for days, so I didn't add garlic to this mix. Make sure that you do this mix just before your seafood boil is ready or when it is ready, so it doesn't so it's still a bit runny. Next, we're going to be putting in this garlic toast into the oven. I got a store, bought this from the store, and I'm going to be popping it into the oven for about 7 minutes. And that's it, guys. It's ready. It is super yum, and it was a great meal for Christmas. I hope you try it out. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and let me know, what did you make for Christmas Day 2020? What did you have with your family? I would like to know in the comment section, okay? And let me know what you think about the seafood boil recipe. Are you going to try it out? Let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching, okay? Bye.